Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are doing a GeoZilla review. So if you're thinking about using it for family safety or real-time tracking, this one is for you. So let's jump right in. Now, GeoZilla is a real-time GPS tracking app built for families, caregivers, and anyone who wants extra peace of mind. It lets you track a loved one's location in real time, set geofences, get alerts when someone arrives or leaves a place, and even view up to 30 days of location history. One of its standout features is the optional wearable GPS tracker, which works without a phone. This makes it great for kids, seniors, and even pets. The app works on both iOS and Android and syncs smoothly across multiple devices. GeoZilla also includes a driving report feature, showing speed, sudden braking, and even phone use while driving. Super useful if you're monitoring teen drivers or elderly parents. Plus, there's an SOS emergency alert option that instantly sends someone's exact location if they need help. Another strong point is battery efficiency. GeoZilla has a special battery saving mode that updates location less frequently so your phone isn't constantly drained. The geofencing and notifications are usually accurate and come in on time. Now, there are a couple things to keep in mind. Some features like extended history and driving reports are locked behind a premium subscription, and like any GPS app, accuracy depends on cellular and GPS signal, so remote areas may cause issues. Overall, I want to say GeoZilla is great for families who want more than basic location sharing. It's built around safety, real world use, and peace of mind. More advanced than simple apps like Glimpse or Google Maps sharing. So if you're caring for aging parents, watching over a young child, or want a standalone tracker, it's a strong, reliable option. Just be prepared for subscription costs if you want the full feature set. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.